Hello everyone, it's Tanya here and we are here to do another episode of my little series called What's in My Wardrobe. In this series I showcase garments from my wardrobe and I talk to you about any alterations, repairs or upcycling that I've done with them. And today it's quite a simple alteration. This is a modern dress and I bought this in the year 2000. And I had been teaching for a long time and I'd come out of teaching and I went and did some temping and I got an office job. And I thought, I'd quite like some new clothes. So in my lunch break I went out and I bought some new clothes from this quite cheap shop in shopping centre near where I was working. And I thought, I love a peasant style dress. And I thought this is a really nice colour for summer. So I bought it. And I wore it, but each time I wore it I thought, you know what, it's not quite right. It was actually a bit big on me and a bit sack-like. This is a theme that sort of seems to come up quite a lot in these stories. And I suppose I've had different ways of dealing with it. So what I did in this case was I realised that the length was unflattering on me. It was probably a couple of inches beneath my knee. And because of my height, that's not a great length for me. So I actually decided to take the hem up, which is a dead simple thing to do. I just took it up an inch or two, sewed it on the machine. Suddenly, it just looked better on me, but it was still a bit sack-like. And so the second thing that I did to this dress to make it just right for me was I put in some darts in the back. Can you see? So they start here and they go down to there. And they're quite a shallow dart. You know, they're probably that's probably 5 mil, so that's a centimetre and then another centimetre there. But what they did was they helped to shape this dress so that I looked more shapely. And I've been wearing it for the last 23 years because it fits me right now, and everybody always comments on this dress because it fits me really well. I think that's the good thing about when you do alterations or sewing for yourself. You can make it much more bespoke, because we're not going to fit every garment that's made on the high street. We all have slightly different shapes and proportions. So yeah, that's a really good thing to be able to do, is to just shape it for you. So yeah, I hope that's inspired you to think that you could do the same with garments in your wardrobe. I think sometimes we have things in our wardrobe which we don't wear because they're not quite right. And I think it would be really nice to think that we could go into our wardrobes, look at the things which aren't quite right but we've never wanted to get rid of because we must like something about them, and we could make the amendments that make them fit us and look great on us. I hope you enjoyed that and I hope to see you soon. Bye!